All right, so welcome back to TradeUp's YouTube channel. So today guys, ay titingnan natin yung naging price action sa US stock market using the US30 index, and we will also check few of the forex pairs. So as you may know, ginagamit ko yung smart money trading concepts, liquidity grabs, and bank strategies sa aking trading system. So dito ay unang-una ay tinitingnan ko muna yung trend sa higher time frame. So usually I do it during the weekend. Tingnan ko yung weekly, daily, and 4 hours. So I have already identified that I should go bearish sa US30. Kaya I indicated with a red flag. So those which are green here, I indicated with this is an indication that I go for a long bias. All right, so short position sa ating US30. And tingnan natin sa daily, day-to-day price action. Ano ba yung nangyari sa US30 index? And sa aking trading system ay gumagamit ako ng high and low of the previous day and high and low of the previous week. If the high and low of the previous month is also near, then I also consider that one. Okay, so let's check back yung nangyari sa Monday. And pag Monday, yung nasa Monday tayo ay ito yung usually hindi ko tinitrade yung Monday because I trade it as an initial balance for the current week. And binabase ko yung aking bias, binabase ko yung price action ng Monday to that of the price action of the Friday, the last Friday range, so high and low of the Friday. So bearish yung ating higher time frame, and makikita natin na sa opening pa lang ng Monday, the opening ng week, nagkaroon tayo ng accumulation. So ito yung accumulation phase. Let's label it with so this is the accumulation phase, opening ng Monday, and then we have the manipulation phase. So yung ginagawa dito ng manipulation phase ay dinidistribute ng mga smart money traders or minamanipulate ng smart money traders yung mga traders na nag-set up ng short position sa previous week. So basically, also, to say it in another way, it is actually a stop hunt sa previous week high. So those who set their stop losses just above the high of the previous week. So yung mga nag-short dito sa US30. Then we have here a stop hunt. Then this is now manipulation phase on this one, and then the next day, Tuesday, we have the distribution phase. So normally hindi ako nagtitrade ng Monday kasi this is the initial balance for the current week. I start trading the Tuesday and then until Friday. So if I am bearish for that current instrument, I will always go bearish short position on that week until such time mayroon change of character which I can identify using a 4 hours time frame with the break of the structure to the opposite direction. So if I am initially short for this week to the downside, I am checking the 4 hours to see whether there is any kind of change of character from a short or bearish trend to the bullish trend. So, but here there is nothing. There is no change of character. So, malakas yung momentum actually to the downside. All right. So, but that change of character that I am talking about have happened in the previous week. This one. So from a bearish, and then we have here a change in character. That's why during that March to Thursday up to Friday, long traders were winners on that 2 days. All right. So back to the price action on Tuesday. As you can see, we have first accumulation and manipulation and distribute. So it's always going with this AMD. So this is in ICT. This is AMD accumulation, manipulation, and the third is distribution. So this is actually called power of 3 in ICT, inner circle traders. Okay. And this accumulation, manipulation, distribution can happen at any kind of time frame. You just need to recognize where it is. And in an intraday, as you can see, we have here accumulation at the Asian session, manipulation, and then distribution. Okay, so this was a good trading day actually, Tuesday, for the short side. And then here again, we have really a very, very good example of by the way, that's the reason also why I don't trade the Asian session, because usually Asian session is the accumulation phase. London session, the manipulation phase. So here you can really have a good entry for the rest of the day. And then during the US session, here you can experience really huge moves, mostly, especially for the US30. And its US30 usually is very active during the opening of US stock market. And here, let's try to go to the opening of the US session, kasi US30 ito. So very important yung opening naman ng US session. So let's first delete this one. And here the highlighted area is 230. Okay, so I know what's the problem. So we need to adjust this. So now we have the 3:30 p.m. here at Central European time. That's actually the opening of the US stock market. And then let's go to the lower time frame using 1 minute. And let's see what happened. Okay, so this is 3:30. So like what I told you, bearish tayo sa US30. So opening price is here. So we go a little bit higher than that opening. This is now the accumulation. This is the accumulation phase, the manipulation phase, and the distribution phase. So all this is really accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So this is how important to learn how to understand the power of three, or accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and trading. So again, the short summary of this is to know what is the bias in the higher time frame, and then follow that bias in the lower time frame and detect for any kind of this pattern, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And you may apply it within session. So I apply it usually. Asian session is the accumulation phase, the London session is the manipulation phase, and the US session is the distribution phase. So let's check and verify the other days. So this is Tuesday. Okay, and here it comes also Wednesday. Again, accumulation at the Asian session, manipulation at the London, and distribution at the US session. You will always see that big moves are happening in the US session. Why? Because it's the US30. It means that it's best to trade US30 during the US session. And here it is again. Again, bearish still. Bearish pa rin tayo kay US30. Accumulation, manipulation. So in my strategy, I always wait for a break of the previous day high. Here, did we wait for the previous day? No, here there's no break. So, but here in Monday, it was a break of the previous day. Okay, so basically this one is doesn't need to come here because it already broke the previous day high on Friday. So what it does is that it's going back to this order block over here, and then accumulate, manipulate, distribute. All right, so let's go over more to the rest of the days during the week. What happened here is accumulation in the Asian, still accumulation also in the London, and then manipulation during the US session. So US30, manipulation, and then distribute. Oh, what a huge move. So I remember I was trying to short this one, but paaga yung short ko. And then I get stop out. And this, unfortunately, too early to get stop out. And the problem is that I already added my third position, and all of them get stop out, and I couldn't enter anymore. So my trading strategy won't allow me to enter more trades during that time. So I need to be disciplined to follow that rule that I have. So again, this is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. What about in the US30 in the Friday price action? We have also here accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So you can see now how important it is to understand this accumulation, manipulation, distribution. All right, so let's see you again next time sa ating Trade Ups YouTube channel. So watch out for my next uploaded videos, and please subscribe and like my channel so that you can get notified in the upcoming videos that I have. Thank you and have a nice day.